Hello children. I hope you have practiced I can sentences. Today we are discussing activity number 2, 3 and 4 from the worksheet number 2. Let's learn today's new topic, that is can you. Today we are going to learn about how to frame question by using can you. At the end of this topic, you will learn to frame questions by using can you structure. Before that, be ready with your pencil, an eraser and an English worksheet number 2. Can you? We use can you in the question form when we want to ask someone whether they can do the task or not. Example, can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Now, first let me read how Raju is asking questions to his father. Dad, can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Dad, can you drink milk? No, I can't drink milk. Dad, can you sing? No, I can't sing. Dad, can you eat an ice cream? Yes, I can eat an ice cream. Dad, can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Now, let's start today's activity. Activity number 2. Here you are going to ask questions to your family members whether they can do the task or not. If they say yes, put a right mark, or if they say no, put a cross mark in the given column. Father, can you ride a bike? Yes. Can you drink milk? No. Can you sing? No. Can you eat an ice cream? Yes. Can you swim? Yes. So, like this, ask these questions to your remaining family members and complete the task. Now, let's go for third activity. Activity number 3. Look at the pictures and rearrange the sentences. Can swim Zach? Arrange the words in the correct order to frame a meaningful sentence. The correct order is Zach can swim. I tennis can play. I can play tennis. Kate swing can. Kate can swing. Now, let's start fourth activity. Activity number 4. Look at the mind map and frame a sentences by using I can structure. Before that, let me read words given in the mind map. I can read, wear this dress, play, swim, drink, sing, ride a bicycle, run, eat, comb. Now, children, repeat each word after me. I can read, wear this dress, play, swim, drink, sing, ride a bicycle, run, eat, comb. Now, let's frame sentences by using I can. I can read. I can wear this dress. I can ride a bicycle. I can comb. Now it's time for home play. Complete the worksheet number 2 and share it with your teacher. That's all for today's class. Thank you.